Many Rhode Islanders wearing red today as we celebrate St. Joseph's Day. The Italian holiday honors the memory of St. Joseph, or San Giuseppe, the patron saint of workers and families. And as part of the celebration, area bakeries pump out hundreds, if not thousands, of traditional cream-filled pastries known as zepulas. The owner of LaSalle Bakery in Providence tells us it's a huge day for them.
St. Patrick's Day, people eat Irish bread and cookies and cakes in the shapes of shamrocks. The Italians will eat a zeppola filled with the pastry cream. It's traditional. It goes back hundreds of years and probably longer.
LaSalle's owner says they only make zeppolas from the beginning of February until Easter, which makes this time of year that much more special.